Making a tray of coffee flan cream cheese layer jello for 60 people and sharing it with the street children at a warm year-end party with me. First, soak agar-agar powder, sugar and salt in water for 1 hour to ensure proper absorption. If you forget to separate the egg yolks, try this trick with an empty plastic water bottle. Guarantee 100% successful rate. After separating the egg yolks, mix them with the sweetened condensed milk. Stir well until you get a smooth mixture. Next, in a saucepan, combine cream cheese, whipping cream. Stir constantly over medium-low heat until smooth. When it's lightly boiling at the edges, turn off the heat and leave to cool. After soaking, cook the agar-agar mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly for about 10 minutes from boiling. To make the coffee jello layer, mix 1 liter of the agar-agar mixture with coffee and boiling water. Stir well and cook over medium heat for about 5 minutes. Next, slowly pour the cheese mixture into the egg milk mixture while stirring. Strain the mixture and pour it into the remaining agar-agar mixture. Stir and cook over medium heat for an additional 5 minutes. The key to preventing layer separation is to always keep both pots simmering on medium-low heat. Pour the upper layer when the lower layer is slightly set. Run a toothpick over the surface before pouring the new layer. Remember to pour gently from the side of the mold to avoid breakage. To make the flowers, chill the silicone molds before filling it with the jello. Place the flowers on top of a coffee layer and pour a thin layer of translucent agar mixture on top. The floral layer will beautifully float with 7 parts rising and 3 parts sinking on the cake. Ta-da! At the Street Children's Center in Central District in Da Nang, Vietnam. After cleaning up and enjoying the main dish prepared by the volunteers, my dessert is now on display. The kids are enjoying it and I am so delighted. Wishing you all a safe and joyful cake season. Try out this dessert for your Lunar New Year celebration.